you're gonna lose money. No matter what the heck you do, you might be doing 100K a month. This is what is gonna decide if you will make or lose money. All right. So usually we try to analyze data, right? Weekly data. But when you are doing, let's say, just 10, 20 orders a day, it's kind of hard because you ship out 10. One might be going to the extreme-most tip of the country, which will take probably like 7, 8 days to go there. One might be getting delivered tomorrow in a metro city like Bangalore or Delhi. A couple of them might sometimes even get lost in transit. It's funny. So you gotta also have insurance, which we do provide though. All right. And if you analyze after 10 days, if your delivery rate is worse than 40%, it's time to shut down for sure, right? But if you keep going and you're doing about 48 to 50% delivery ratio, you can hope to make about $2 to $3 profit, but it varies largely, right? And speed is the key here. So if your product is not reaching in less than 8 or 10 days, then good luck to you, buddy, right? And this is another thing that brings the difference here. So like I explained in the beginning, we didn't have a call center, and ratio was terrible, right? We started learning ourselves. There was a lot of learning in last couple of years. There are different products. People call us like, what is this product? So we have to educate our people to tell them how it works. It's not just a fidget spinner that we sell all the time, right? It could be a patch that people don't know shit about. And then sometimes you won't even believe. Customers actually tell us, can you just record it on WhatsApp and send it to me? I'm like, okay, we will do it for you, sir. Whatever, customer is king, right? And also during, Facebook, there are a lot of comments. So they will say, I like this product, how much? So you can call those leads and convert as well into customers, right? And returns can actually destroy everything here. If you don't ship out all the products without a call center, remember guys, you will be incurring about $2 charges for all the return products, right? So let's say I'm shipping out 100 without a call center, right? So you blindly ship out 100. What is going to happen? You will have 40 coming or 60 coming back, 40 getting delivered. And you have to pay for those 60 returns also, mind you. It's not just the 40 that get delivered. You have to pay for everything, not just in India. It's true everywhere, right? So with call center, we have observed that delivery ratios have been anywhere from 48 to 64%. And it has actually helped us a lot, and that is what has given us the actual profit. Without call center, we were never ever profitable. And you can also cut down on fake orders. You won't believe it, People say, you know what? My kid was playing, and he just ordered on your site. I'm like, are you even kidding me? That's not possible. But it happens. It's India. It's really funny, but it does. And we have like extreme situations where we even had like 10% confirmation without a call center. I mean, 10% success without a call center, right? So here, okay, so you have seen all the stuff here, but what are we here for, guys? To make money, right? Not just to test. Are you here to just test or make some money? Who wants to make money? Cool. Okay. So you will be making money only if you are at a scale of about 500 orders a day or more. I mean, we are talking about 6 figures. If you want to scale to like $100,000 a month, it can happen only in about 400 to 500 deliveries a day kind of a thing. So in the last slide, you will see. But here's a very simple calculation, right? Looks so cool on paper. It's not that easy, but it's quite doable. Anybody doing more than 300 orders in drop shipping here? Give me a 5. Anybody? No? Oh, you are. Great. So you could just port over your winning product in India and enable COD. You will see the difference. If you're doing 300 orders on global drop shipping, you can do a 3,000 very easily in India. It is relatively way easier. And what's your CPP like?
I also trying COD with you.
Oh yeah, of course.
Steven Pang, my name is.
Of course, like, but did you do global?
Yes, I do global also.
And what is the CPP in that?
Depends on product.
But
Like,
average typically was about $8 to $10.
No, 10 to 20.
10 to 20. There you go. $20 CPP. No, hell no. Come to India, you would have like $2 CPPs.